What's up everybody, I hope you all are doing great, and the topic of today's video is Vimeo's video tutorial for beginners, how to use Vimeo step by step. So here we are on Vimeo.com. This software provides us the opportunity to edit our videos online. It's pretty easy. So in order to get started, we just simply need to click on try it for free and we'll come to our basically dashboard. But I honestly suggest you to click on join or log in if you are have an account. So I'm going to log in with Gmail. These tabs of registration are quite simple and it's pretty easy, and it will be easier as for us to save our project and to interact with some another features. So in a few seconds we'll come to this page here. As you can see in the top of the screen, we can find a small menu with templates, video types, video tools, resources, manage videos, upgrade for the paid plan, and of course contact sales. So in order to create a video, all we need to do is just to click on create your own or new video right up here. So I'm going to click on here and I want to start from scratch. Basically, I will show you all the features of this powerful online video editor. So we'll come to this page here. As you can see in the left side, we have a menu with media where we can upload our own media by simply clicking right up here, or we can record it. We can also use stock footages. There are a lot of different categories we can simply use, and of course my media stuff. So let's try to upload something. I'm going to desktop, and from this page here I'd like to use 2 of these videos. It may take a little time until they will be uploaded. On the presets area, we can find a lot of different templates we can easily use. For example, this one template for maybe naming of our videos, this intro here, this live event, and so on. So it depends on your purposes. So if you need to create, you can just simply use this stuff. Text area with different text templates we can easily use. Graphics with different bodies in motion, arrows, love, figures, shapes, text, and so on. So sometimes it's also helpful. It depends on your basically video idea. And the music area, where we can find a lot of copyright-free music here, or we can also upload our own music by simply clicking on this button in the bottom of the screen. And the palette, where we can change the color palette basically to style our video. And the brand area for branding. In the top of the screen, we can also find some project settings. Basically, we can name our project here. We can change the format from horizontal to vertical and squared. And also we can add the guides if it's necessary. So in the right side, there is also option to undo or redo action, change video duration, and preview our video. So let's try to add 2 of this video to our timeline. Basically, all we need to do is just to click on plus, and our video will be successfully added as a new scene here. So in order to interact with scene, we just simply need to click on more here. And we have 3 options: duplicate, hide, or delete. So this empty stand here, I'm going to delete it right up here. And also I'd like to add this video as a new scene. So now we have 2 different scenes. How can we easily interact? All we need to do is just to click on the necessary scene here. And in the top of the screen, we have the option to change the layouts, change the colors. We can increase the size, change media volume, and edit trimming. So in order to change the duration, I'm going to click on edit trimming, and I want to cut out, make it maybe 5 seconds in duration. So basically it's about 1 minute. So let it be only 5 seconds. So let's click on done. And now as you can see, the duration was successfully changed. And the same thing I'm going to do is just to edit this stuff here. So I'm going to use only first 5 seconds of our video. So let's click on done. And one more thing, I want to click on size, and I want to increase the size so to hide these black parts of the video. So let it be like this, for example. And now basically my scenes are ready. So let's try to add some more stuff. Firstly, I want to add the text here. So I want to click on text, use the first scene here, and I want to add the title. So I want to use the title, which is called, I want to name it bad weather, something like this. So now we need to edit it for a little. So firstly, I want to change the font, let it be like this one here. And also I want to change the color to the black one. We can increase the font size, we can change the alignment, add the drop shadow effect, add the trimming, and so on. So firstly, if we need to be like for full video, for full scene, we need to click on trim and then just increase the size, increase the duration. So let it be like this. I'm going to click on done. And if you want to edit it, we can just simply click, we can highlight if it's necessary or do some other stuff. If you click on more, we can also like copy, duplicate, or delete this stuff. So now the first scene looks like this, basically the simple background with the with this stuff here. The same thing we can do with our the second scene, but I'm going to click on save, and I want just to save this project. I'll share it a little bit later. So now we can just simply, we'll come to the next page basically, and as you can see now it's rendering. So after that we'll be able to download this video. But if you'll come back to our dashboard by simply clicking right up here, we can also find a lot of different templates we can easily use. So if you'll go to manage videos or like resources, so let's try to find something, maybe create features in interactive videos, basically not here. So if you go to our library maybe, or video creation, so somewhere here there should be like different templates we can easily use. For example, let's go to animation here. So we can easily try to view how another people created videos with basically Vimeo, and we can get inspiration from this page here. So in order to edit our video, we just simply need to find it and go back to right up here. So now everything is done basically, and if you'll click on 3 dots here, we have the option to publish to social, stream live, version history, add to showcase, video, live links, and download. So if you need, so we can easily download this video right up here. So as you can see, this video is still optimizing and will be available in high resolution shortly, so we need to wait for a little. And if you are going to discover the paid plans, we can find that we have like 4 different plans: starter, standard, and advanced, and of course the enterprise. So the prices are different: $12, $20, and $65. And as you can see, we can find all the differences in this table here. So it's pretty cool. So we can easily try to use it for free, and then we can decide if it's necessary as for us to upgrade our plan. So the most popular is the standard plan. So I think that this one is the most balanced with features and the price. So this is how can we use Vimeo.com as an online video editor. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.